In today's fast-paced world, we're always looking for ways to maximize our time. We want workouts that are quick, effective, and fit seamlessly into our busy schedules. That's where the 1-minute plank comes in. Don't let the short duration fool you. This simple exercise packs a powerful punch. By dedicating just 60 seconds each day to the plank, you can unlock a world of benefits for your body and mind. This isn't about getting ripped abs overnight. It's about making a sustainable change towards a healthier, stronger you. It's about building a solid foundation for a more active and fulfilling life. Over the next few sections, we'll delve into the incredible benefits of daily planking. We'll explore how this one exercise can strengthen your core, alleviate back pain, and even boost your metabolism. We'll guide you on how to perform the plank correctly, ensuring you get the most out of each second. And most importantly, we'll demonstrate how easily this 1-minute practice can be integrated into even the busiest of schedules. So if you're ready to transform your body and mind 1 minute at a time, keep reading. Let's embark on this journey to a stronger, healthier you together, and don't forget to subscribe to Power Life Hacks for more amazing content. We hear a lot about core strength, but what does it really mean? Your core isn't just about six-pack abs, it's the powerhouse of your body. Think of your core muscles as an internal corset supporting your spine, stabilizing your movements, and improving your overall posture. A strong core is essential for everything we do, from bending down to pick up groceries to maintaining balance while walking. It helps prevent injuries, improves athletic performance, and even makes everyday tasks easier. Planking directly targets these crucial core muscles. By holding your body in a straight line, you engage your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles. This isometric contraction, where your muscles are working without changing length, builds incredible strength and endurance in your core. Back pain is a common ailment that affects millions of people. It can range from a dull ache to debilitating pain, impacting our daily lives and overall well-being. While there are many causes of back pain, weak core muscles are often a major contributor. When your core is weak, it puts extra stress on your spine, leading to discomfort and pain. Planking strengthens the muscles that support your back, reducing strain on your spine and alleviating pain. Think of it this way. A strong core acts like a brace, providing stability and support for your back. By incorporating daily planking into your routine, you're proactively taking care of your spine and reducing your risk of back pain. Section 4. Sculpting your midsection. Let's be honest, who doesn't want a toned and sculpted midsection? While planking alone won't give you a six-pack, that requires a balanced diet and overall fitness routine. It's an incredibly effective exercise for strengthening and defining your abdominal muscles. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which can put strain on your neck and back, planks engage all the muscles in your core simultaneously. This includes your rectus abdominis, the muscles responsible for that coveted six-pack, your obliques, the muscles on your sides, and your transverse abdominis, the deep core muscles that wrap around your torso. By working all these muscles together, planking helps create a strong and toned midsection. It improves your posture, making you look taller and leaner. So, while you're building core strength, you're also sculpting a more defined and toned physique. Section 5. Beyond the core, a full body workout. While planking primarily targets your core, don't be fooled into thinking it's just an ab exercise. This powerful move engages muscles throughout your entire body, making it a surprisingly effective full body workout. Think about it. When you're holding a plank, you're also engaging your shoulders, triceps, glutes, and quads to maintain stability and alignment. This full body engagement helps build strength and endurance in multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By incorporating variations into your plank routine, you can further target specific muscle groups. For example, raising an arm or leg during a plank increases the challenge for your shoulders and glutes, respectively. So, while you're strengthening your core, you're also working towards a more toned and sculpted physique from head to toe. Section 6. Plank your way to mental wellness. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond physical health. They have a profound impact on our mental well-being too. And planking is no exception. While holding a plank might seem like a purely physical challenge, it can actually be a powerful tool for reducing stress and improving your mood. Exercise in general releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in our brains that act as natural mood boosters. Planking, in particular, can help alleviate tension and stress by stretching and strengthening the muscles that often become tight and sore due to stress, such as your shoulders, back and neck. Moreover, the focus required to maintain proper form during a plank can actually be meditative. It takes your mind off your worries and brings your attention to the present moment, promoting a sense of calm and focus. So, while you're building physical strength, you're also cultivating mental resilience and a more positive outlook.